Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, August 15th, 2017, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, you can see here that the Dow kind of consolidated today, not doing too much. It opened higher, pulled back a little. I don't know. It was briefly negative a couple times, but it came back toward the end, and then it pulled back on the last 15-minute bar there. It still ended up closing up 5 points. So as far as the Dow goes, pretty nothing day, but it had a really big day on Friday, so it's just consolidating here. It's still very strong. Haven't been calling the Dow up, or haven't been calling the Dow much lately, but I will call it up for tomorrow. It looks pretty solid. We had a good day, a really good day. Very happy with it. We ended up closing out all those positions from yesterday with positive $8,200. That's pretty good. Again, we saw a lot of selling going on right after the open. At one time, I think shortly after open, if I'm not mistaken, I saw 19,000 in open trade equity. A couple of those were carrying, so we could say I'm just kind of eyeballing, but I figure we probably slipped from about 12,000 to 8,000 from the time it opened to where we got out. So that's not too bad. Still, we're not going to complain about $8,000 closeout trade. We got into 6 new positions. 3 were positive, 3 were negative, but we are holding almost $7,000 in open trade going into tomorrow. So the combination of our closeout and what we're carrying is really good. Had a good day today. I'll show you 3 of the stocks here. Let's see. Let's close this first. Okay, JDST is the first one here, and this is inverse gold. And fortunately, we bought this on Friday before the gap. It's always nice to buy it before the gap because it gapped up but didn't do too much today. But regardless, we're holding open trade there of, let me see here, where am I? Sorry, we're about $3,000. We got about $3,000 open trade in JDST. Then I'm showing you this one. We haven't shown this before. This is a new stock, XIV, and that's Credit Suisse. And on Friday we bought the gap, big gap. It kept moving, and we just got out basically for it closed on Friday, but we still took $3,000 out of Credit Suisse. So that was a nice trade also. And then the biggie for the day is, give me a second here, was Immunogen. Immunogen, IMGN. We got into this today right at the beginning of the day, and it just screamed. Kept going all day, closing pretty darn close to the high there. And we have $3.6 thousand, $3,600 in positive in Immunogen. So very, very good trade there. Anyway, Trader Bob's happy, had a good day. I'll be back here online on Wednesday tomorrow.